Duke here. I'm back to talk to you about the #1 spray for #2. I know I got it, #2, and the second one, I got it. We're moving on. So people want to know, did we really do a heavy duty test for these products? Of course we did. I told you that was Duke approved. Now you want to know how to use the product. Really, people? When you get on an airplane, they show you how to do them seat belts. Do you not ride to the airport in a vehicle and have to use the seat belt? So let's get with the program. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to use these products one time only. The toilet paper part's on you. So what we do is, you turn around and take these products right here. You can flip the seat up or down, it don't matter. And you spray it, either one of these products in the bowl, just like that. Then you got this little poop dude, see? He don't smell. It's just drop and flop, baby. That's all she wrote.